back to the Pomchi pack, everyone. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, I am in a different location of my studio. Usually I'm back there filming for you, but today I am at my computer chair because today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I designed and animated the new intro for this channel. So first off, I will show you what the new intro looks like. Here you go. So now that you have seen the end result, let me show you how I did it. So first I had to design each element that I wanted to be in the end animation. So I will start off by drawing this living room background. Once I had the living room background drawn the way that I liked it, I can move on to the other elements. The next one that I wanted to focus on was the new Pomchi logo. Once I got that one designed, then I put it into an animation and made a subscribe animation for it. And after I got all of the animations designed the way that I wanted them to, it was now time to put it all together. I use Canva for this part. Canva is a free online-based designing website. I really like it. You can choose to pay for the pro version. I don't think it's really worth it if you're going to use your own elements, especially. The free version does plenty well for me, and every so often they offer you a free trial and you can cancel it before it renews. I just usually use the free version. So I put all the elements together in Canva, adding the small details as necessary, like the little corner swirls. Once I finished that, I uploaded it onto my computer. And next, I want to make this little intro here, the full intro with the writing of my signature and the Pomchi animation. If you want more of an in-depth explanation on how I animated the Pomchi animation, I can do a video for you on that, but I don't want to make today's video too long. So if that is something that you're interested in, leave a comment down below and like this video, and I will be sure to make that. Once I finished animating this little Pomchi, I exported it as a GIF file just like the others. This makes sure that it exports it as a video, but yet the background stays transparent. And now the very last thing that I need to animate is the Pomchi signature. I popped back into PROCREATE, I designed how I wanted my Pomchi signature to look, and once I was happy with that, I started to animate it. With the animation assist turned on in PROCREATE, I just erased a little bit at a time, working backwards. If you want more of an in-depth tutorial on how I did the write-on animation, I can do a separate video for that as well. But again, I don't want to make this video too long, so if that is something that you're also interested, let me know by leaving a comment down below. Once I finished up with erasing all of this in small portions at a time, frame by frame, I exported that as a GIF as well. Now, I did animate my own snow for this animation as well, but as I was playing with settings on Canva, I actually found a video file that I liked better for the snow, so I ended up using that instead, as you'll see. Now that I have all the individual elements, I'm going to combine them all in Canva. And once I made all the adjustments the way that I wanted it, I uploaded it to my computer just like the other one. And now it's time to put it all together and add music and sound effects. Upload the designs that you created on Canva into your video editor. Once you have the timing and everything the way that you want it, now we're going to add in the music and sound effects. This is also the time to find the music that fits your animation the best. Quick note as well, make sure that it is royalty-free music, because the last thing you want is to have a copyright on your intro music. I suggest using the YouTube audio library because that is the safest bet for you. There are other resources that you can use as well, but for your intro music, I think that using the YouTube audio library is the safest route, and that's the one that I will recommend for you. And you want to add in your sound effects in the appropriate timing, so I added the click sound for the subscribe, the writing sounds for the signature, and the music for the background. And that's it for sound effects. It was pretty simple. Once you have all of your sound effects added in and the music the way that you like it, you're finished. And a pro tip for you after doing this many times myself, keep this as an editable draft if that's an option for your video editor. I export it as a DaVinci project, and that way I can reopen it in DaVinci eventually if I want to edit individual elements into it without having to redo the entire thing. And this way I can make small edits into it, like making it for different seasons, for winter like this one, and then I made one for spring and summer. and then I made one for fall as well, as you can see here. The following ones were very easy because I just used the same exact format but just made different animations for each different season. And that way you can keep things fun and fresh but not make too much work for yourself also, because you want it to be fun, not painful. And that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions based on today's video, don't hesitate to put them in the comments down below as usual. I want to see what kind of unique animations that you guys can put together, so definitely if you make one, tag me on Instagram or Facebook at Pomchi Productions so I can see it. And as always, if you did enjoy today's video, you would like to see me again or see more of these tutorial videos, definitely subscribe and join the Pomchi Pack because there will be more in the future. So if you subscribe, you definitely won't miss them. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, giving this video a thumbs up will really help me, 1, know that you enjoyed today's video, but 2, letting YouTube know that you enjoyed my video today will help other people find it as well. Make it a great week by trying something new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now!